So this look is all about New Year's Eve. And the best part about New Year's is you can't go wrong. You can go as bold and as big as you want. I'm going with a smoky eye and this really great deep berry red lip. And it's all about just layering it on and, you know, really no holds barred. Go crazy. That's what New Year's is all about. And we're gonna use just a really great neutral look to start the wash of the eyelid, because you really want to get that neutral eyelid and then you can start layering on all that smoke. So I'm going to take this great color, which is It List, and it's their really dark black color. And I'm going to use that to draw my little teardrop all the way along the eye, just into the corner. And then you want to go with a little bit of something with a sparkle to it. And so they have a great one which is called Clock Strikes 12. This is one of the colors in this palette. And just layer it along the lash line. Just adding a bit more pigment to get that smoke. So you can use any sort of dark eyeliner. We have this great one here. It's Le Stylo Waterproof. And we're going to get in along the edges and just sort of even out everything. Get a little bit of that darkness around the lash line. And we got this in Cafe Noir, which is almost like a black brown. So what we want to do is we want to set the skin, we want to make it look glowing and fresh and really excited. This is epic under eye concealer. This is Bye Bye Under Eye by IT Cosmetics. Hard to not make a funny face while I do this. So next up, we're going to take a color corrector. This is amazing. This is Stila's One Step Color Corrector. So you're just going to put that all over. And it's just gonna do its magic and correct everything that needs correcting. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our foundation powder. This is IT Cosmetics and it's their Celebration Foundation. How perfect is that? Get a bunch of product on there and we're gonna layer it on. The key with baking your makeup is to layer the powder over your wet layer. The actual heat of your skin is going to set your makeup while you work on the rest of your face, which is kind of nice. So we're gonna start contouring. And we're gonna use this great palette from Benefit. It's their blush bar. So we're gonna use the Hula color, which is that great bronzy color, in order to contour. So the next thing that we're gonna do is blush. Now I'm a huge blush fan because blush makes you look like you just stepped in from the outdoors. This is a great shade. This is Dandelion. I like to tap in my blush. You can also do a nice little stripe. So we have this great translucent powder. This is Bye Bye Pores from IT Cosmetics. And we're just gonna swirl around in there and get some of that translucent powder to just set everything in place and blend it all together. You can always use eyeshadow to fill in your eyebrows, just a little bit, nothing crazy, but it just sort of fills in any of the gaps or any of the imperfections. So we're gonna make this great berry lip to sort of complement these smoky eyes. And we're using this lip liner from IT Cosmetics, and it's Your Lips But Better. How perfect is that? So we have this great fluid lipstick from YBF, which stands for Your Best Friend, which it will be all night. It's gonna be your best friend. Okay, so we're gonna put this on, and this is gonna complete our look. So this mascara is Grandiose mascara from LANCOME Paris. And I mean, they have a patented brush. It gets in there and really gets and coats every single lash. Maybe just take off any of the excess so you don't end up with a couple little specks on your cheekbones. And I think I'm ready for New Year's. I think I'm ready for some champagne.